Magandang hapon po ng Friday, July 31, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, July 31, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 31, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas ang para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 31, 2026 Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for Friday, July 31, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, July 31, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.